Philippe Nicolas from Volatys. We distribute our products in food service, industry, and for export in Europe via a picking platform located in France. The heart of the strategy is food safety, premium products manufacturing, customer satisfaction, and innovation in order to respond to current and future customer trends. One of our main partners, SuperDrob from Polish LipCo Foods group, is a result of 25 years of cooperation based on transparency, respect for commitments, and mutual trust.
Volatys has established a fruitful collaboration with a renowned European producer of breaded and baked products, SuperDrob, a part of LipCo Foods. This strategic partnership has been thriving for over 2 decades. A team of technological experts from both companies analyzes and tests our products, conducting thorough verification of recipes. Our quality assurance service uses tailored indicators for continuous improvement. With strict customer and supplier technical data sheets, we guarantee impeccable product quality and health safety. Our strategic alliance with LipCo Foods empowers us to guarantee control of the entire production chain, from field to fork. With our logistics solutions and dedicated team, we ensure impeccable tracking and traceability of all products, from production to delivery.
My name is Philippe Legal, new Director of Operations of Volatys. Service guarantee and food safety are the keys to Volatys' success.
With over 21 years of experience, Volatys operates under 5 recognized brands and holds the prestigious IFS certification, reflecting its commitment to excellence and safety. Received food products undergo detailed quality control before being stored in the freezer. Orders are assembled, checked, palletized, and dispatched to customers, ensuring the highest quality and safety. Volatys offers 180 different products and sells 22,000 tons annually, with 75% being prepared cooked products. As the leading importer of French prepared cooked products from Poland, Volatys serves the French catering market. Volatys focuses on growth and innovation. All departments work closely together, promoting excellent information exchange and collaboration. The specialized R&D department introduces new products, ensuring innovation and quality. Employees continuously develop through frequent training and educational programs.
Aligned with SuperDrob from LipCo Foods Group, animal welfare has been a concern in Volatys audits for years. The company's policy towards our employees is to make internal promotion as much as possible and to allow talents to express themselves. Together with SuperDrob, we act as a responsible company with regards to conservation of resources and our impact on the planet.